Hey, friends! Welcome back to Quiz Universe, your go-to spot for all things quizzes, fun, and brain teasers. Today, we're diving into a Guess the Drink by Emoji challenge. We've lined up 15 questions, and you'll have just 10 seconds to figure each one out. Score a point for every correct answer. Let's see if you're the ultimate drink detective. So smash that subscribe button and let's get sippin'. Question 1. Can you guess this drink? Boom! It's Dr. Pepper. Question 2. What drink do these emojis reveal? Grimace. Shake. Question 3. Bet you know this one. The answer is iced tea. Question 4. What's the hidden drink here? It's Fanta. Question 5. Which drink is it? Amazing! That's 7-Up. Question 6. Time to choose if you love Fanta more, or comment 7UP if you're a fan of this soft drink brand. Question 7. What do these emojis represent? Hot chocolate. Question 8. This one's sweet. What is it? Coconut water? Question 9. Ready for an energy boost? Monster Energy. Question 10. What's this nostalgic drink? Milk. So fresh. Question 11. Name this one. Tea lovers will know. Green tea. Question 12. What's this fruity drink? Fruit punch. Nailed it. Question 13. Which emoji is missing? Ta-da! We're missing the cherry. Question 14. Guess the drink brand. It's Lipton. Question 15. This one's all about the bowl. What's your answer? Red plus Bull. Red Bull. Thanks for playing today's challenge. Drop a comment below with your favorite drink. And who knows, maybe I will shout you out in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another quiz. Until next time, friends, cheers!